Hey guys, it's Zachary and welcome to another video. Today, I'll be showing you what the inside of a fridge looks like. Let's go over to the fridge and here we go. Wait a sec. And that's what the inside of a fridge looks like. Me to make this short.